Guy chose to delay surgery for religious reasons. Then sued everyone involved. Years ago I was involved in a legal case in which a man was suing multiple parties, several doctors, a hospital, etc., claiming medical malpractice. The man was involved in an auto accident and sustained a serious injury. He was rushed to the closest hospital. It was a leg injury, but he was at risk of exsanguination, and his parents were appointed to make the decisions for him. The injury required a complex surgery and the only qualified surgeon available was a woman. The patient refused, citing his strong religious beliefs, which dictated men could only physically touch their wives or close relatives, such as their mother. The medical team figured he was delirious from the trauma and asked the parents to weigh in. The parents said they wouldn't violate their religion and a male surgeon should be brought in. The hospital explained there were only 2 surgeons on their staff with the training for such an operation and both were women. The parents asked to move him to another hospital but he was not stable enough for that. The hospital warned them if they waited much longer they would lose any opportunity to restore full function to the affected limb. The hospital even brought in an imam from hospital chaplaincy to reason with the family that it was permitted for this religious law to be set aside in instances of emergency or necessity. The parents and son refused. It took time to locate a male doctor trained to do the particular surgery, get him temporary privileges at this hospital, and such. By the time the surgery was cleared to happen, the patient's leg had to be amputated. Patient sued everyone involved claiming they should have saved his leg. I was not directly involved in that aspect of the case, thankfully. I only became aware of this because the patient was also using the amputation as a defense against paying child support and I was representing the mother. I don't know how his malpractice suit worked out but we won in family court.